Good.
Hey Facebook, you've got Abby and Amy here again, and today we have a very special Take 5 Tuesday. We're earplugs in, that's why I'm yelling. We've got a special Take 5 Tuesday from our Tampa manufacturing facility. So Abby, what are we doing here today? What are we going to show everyone?
Right, okay Amy, so today we're actually going to show you part of our process. We've talked to you a little bit about some of the product differentiations between Advisar and some of your other door products in the industry. And one of the things that we've spent some time on is actually the difference between a Proud Edge and the Advisar Edge. So we're going to show you the edge banding process, but if you remember, this is a Proud Edge, and as you see right here, on the product, it actually protrudes from your door. It has a grain finish that is going to be not really very aesthetic from the standpoint of looking like a real wood door. And then we've got a corner sample from an Advisar door. This shows you the edge banded side as well. So here you can see that this is a completely flat surface. So this allows us to give you a much better look and feel like real wood, and again, it keeps that unsightly protrusion from being part of your front door.
Perfect. So we get to see the machine then.
Absolutely. We're going to take a walk out into the plant. It's a little loud. Don't forget to put your ears pieces in now.
Safety first.
And we're going to walk out and see it in action.
Okay, perfect. And so if you're a contractor and you want to have a plant tour, we would be more than happy to do that. Yeah. But for everyone that can't make it and just wants to watch it, we're going to do a series and we're going to show you different parts of the process. So this is kind of like video number one.
First one in the process.
So I'll take this with me. Okay.
Okay.
So shoes, glasses, we're good.
Ready to go.
All right.
Here we go.
Everyone was great. They're on break right now, so we're filming it. Normally it's a lot busier, a lot noisier. All right, so we have Russell and Omar here. They're going to show us how the edge banding machine works. So we're going to get that machine started. So take it away.
Okay.
Yeah, so you can do it right here. No, we'll stay right here.
Amy, if you want to actually zoom in on this, so you can see this is the edge banding that they've just completed. Again, that allows us to have this very smooth edge here. They're going to do a couple more passes. So this is just the top of the door that we've done. We're going to go back, and it is a 4-part process. They'll do each one of the sides.
Okay, perfect. All right, so thank you guys for watching. So they're getting ready to run it through the machine again for all 4 sides. But this was kind of our first series in the plant. Let us know in the comments if you like this type of video, if you want to see more parts of the process in the plant. We'd be happy to do it. Let us know if you have a hard time hearing. That would be some good information too. You want to show them the sample again?
Yep, absolutely. So again, what you just witnessed through the video is we're eliminating this Proud Edge. We actually do edge banding on all of the Advisar doors. Again, that gives it this very smooth edge here, and it allows us to, on the fiberglass, give you this really great green finish and much more of the look and feel of a real wood door.
Perfect. Awesome. All right, so again, if you liked this video, like, comment, share, and that will let us know that you want to see more videos from the plant. So thank you guys. Have a good day.
Thank you.